So I'm using Craze slime, so gooey, and I used activator to make it not sticky. So it's kind of hard, actually. So what you're gonna do, you wanna shoot a bubble. So you're gonna take this like this. If you got a little bubble, that's fine. Ooh. Okay. So you're gonna make this flatten. You're gonna push your hand in, let it out, and put your other hand in. Push it in. Now this is the part where you're gonna make the bubble. The guests are gonna be like, oh, this is that, this is that. But pretend that while they were looking, you made a bubble. Stretch, and oh, but you didn't do that. But you got a second chance. The Lord will help us. I love God. And I want to be in first place. You say to yourself, I want to be in first place. But no matter where you go, you got the bubble. And then you did it. And then they got you in first place. So long, you've been the champ. So you've got this piece big. You're gonna put this other piece aside. Roll, 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 roll. Okay, and then flat, 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 and then you're gonna make it like this. It's gonna be kind of different. So you're going to try to make it stand up. Cover your face. If it breaks, catch it, and then pew! You got a big one. Ma, look. It's growing.
Wow. Make a big balloon.
So cool. It's like a secret portal inside. Pop it. You can pop it and then mix it with the others. So what you gotta do, you can get a little animal to put it in the slime. You can skip this video if you don't want to see it. So I'm gonna put the little panda in here. I'm gonna race it in here. Panda, huh? And the panda's gonna be in the bubble. You're gonna take the panda out. Or a Shopkin. It didn't work well, so you're gonna try to make a hole in your slime, big or small. Got the hole, stretch it out. It's gonna close, make it big or small, like any small or big. Put the panda or Shopkin in, or animal in. You're gonna get the slime. So this is a mystery. So I'm gonna mix them out into 3 pieces. Now this is gonna be a fun game. The panda, it's going to be hiding in. You might know this game or might you not. Put the slime aside. One of these 3 balls. Have it in. If you can find it, I'm gonna put it in here. This is gonna be tricky. So ready? is it? I'm gonna get my mom here to guess which is the panda. Mom! And see if you can find where's the baby panda in. This, or this?
Oh, the middle one.
Middle one?
Yeah.
Huh. She got it right. The panda is in here. If everybody wanna answer it, you could ask in the comments, and I'm gonna give one of you each so you can say which one it is. You can guess at home while you're watching this video. So now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna put the panda right here. Miss Marvel, I think. So, if any of you want to say which one you think it is in, I'm going to put it in here.
That's Miss Marvel?
Yes. Okay. And wrap her around. This is going to be a burrito one. Get ready to face the challenge. And ready, set. Which one do you think it is?
Want Mama guess?
Yeah, guess again. While our other friends are guessing too.
The one that you're holding in the middle.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
She got it right again. She found Miss Marvel. We're gonna do Miss Marvel again. But this is different. We're gonna put her somewhere else where it's the small bound. So, get ready. One, I'm gonna close my eyes and you can help if you wanna guess too. So, I'm gonna close my eyes. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I didn't know I got it right. I did not know it was this one. I am telling the truth. And I did not peek. Okay. Now for the next one. A raccoon. So now, guess what? I'm gonna put it here. You guys better know this one's gonna be for my mom and dad. Ma, which one is it?
Okay. On your right.
This?
Yes.
Let's see. Nope, not
Yay.
here. It was in the left. Sorry. Okay, so she won twice, but she didn't want. She didn't want three. Okay. We're gonna put the animals here. And now we're going to do a cookie cutter one. So get your other slime. First, I'm gonna do this. Push it around here. That's a liquiding. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut it. Put the stuff away, so take the little mini part. Ready, set. Whoa! It was flat. Okay. First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it flat again. This circle again. Flip this time, I'm gonna make it one big circle, as you can see. We're gonna put the dolphin here. We're gonna twist. You don't have to get a dolphin, but you can get whatever color you want. And twist, and twist, twist, twist. And then you're gonna let the cookie cutter shape go. You're gonna have this blob, but you get this, and you're gonna twist, twist. Then you have this ugly thing. So you're gonna get one big circle again. Now you're gonna put the circle like this. And you're gonna twist and twist. Whatever cookie cutter shape you have, I'm gonna use this. And you're gonna twist, and you're gonna twist, and you're gonna twist. That's how you're gonna have it. And you're gonna wrap this out. Oh, you got a little shape bomb. Okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the dolphin right here. We're gonna do the same thing, but different. You're gonna put the dolphin here, or whatever. You're gonna cut the whatever cookie cutter. You're gonna surround the cookie cutter. Then you're gonna twist and twist and twist. You have it safe, and then you're gonna take Yo Mama out, and then you're gonna take it out. Yeah, and then you're gonna take our dolphin out. You got a little dolphin or a penguin or whatever, but you can't stop. You got to keep trying. Even though I got this long 27 video, but that was funny. I'm so sorry. That was not me. That was the sun. You're gonna keep on doing it. Okay. Oh my goodness. OMG. I just made this big circle. Okay. Now we're gonna restart. That is not what I wanted to do. And I am going to try again. And again. And again. We are not giving up. I will never give up with Jesus. I am his big fan, not just his fan. I am his follower.
Amen.
Oh. We're going to twist it, but we're going to do better. Okay, we did worse. We did so worse. We're going to try again. Even though this is taking 28 minutes, and I am taking forever. That's for me. Just kidding. And I will never, ever give up. I will always keep trying. Never, ever, ever in my whole life give up on anything. I will always be everybody's friend, no matter what. They're mean to me. They're rude to me. They say names on me. I don't care about those people. I care about good people. I don't care about bad people that think I'm such a loser. I think that people are good in their own way, even though they are rude to anybody. But God will always make you a good way. Even though you want to be so cool with everybody, but you never turned out as cool. and you want to be like your friends, you don't have to be like that. What I say is that you can be you. You can always be you. Even though you feel embarrassed, you don't have to be like the cool girls. You don't have to be so sexy and stuff, like tomboy stuff. If you're a girl, be who you are. You want to be like a boy, but God made you a girl, like He wanted to make you. See, I finally did it. I finally did what I wanted to do. You can do that too. Even though this is taking you 30 minutes to do this, I don't care. I care about God's law. Even if someone scares me, they won't scare Jesus. Jesus will always be with you. I go to church. Church gives you a good way. And I finally did what I wanted to do. You can do it too. One day. As always, Jesus will say, you're perfect enough to be good. I want to be perfect, but nobody's perfect except Jesus, our Lord, the kindness, the goodness. I don't like taking videos like 31 minutes, but every day it's gonna be a good day. I have always dreamed of being president of the United States. I never wanted to let people down. I have always done what I wanted to do. Jesus is our lawyer. Jesus is our president of every state in the universe. I want to share the gospel when I am president of United States. If you're watching this and you're not in America, that's okay. I made my dolphin that I wanted to make. If you can see. I've been working so hard on being the good person. Because I've always wanted to be the good person. Forever and ever. I always pray before I go to bed. I'll never forget Jesus. My favorite sea animal was all the sea animals, including the mean ones. I want to be everybody's friend. My wish was, I want to be president. I want Jesus to come back to earth. But when it's time for Jesus to come back down to earth, I want everybody to go to heaven with him. I always learn a lesson. I don't learn lessons from slime. I learn lessons of Jesus. We do fun activities of Jesus. We worship. I just want to sing out loud and listen to the crowd what they have to say. But everything matters about Jesus Christ. Nothing matters about me or anybody else. That's why I want to be president. If any of you want to be president, if you want to vote for me, that's great. If you don't, that's fine. I want to be a good president. My favorite president in the world was George Washington. I liked all the presidents, including George Washington. George Washington was our first president in the world. We never had a president before. When Earth was created, it was all black. But when Jesus created our earth, he wanted to make color. He wanted to make dinosaurs. But then dinosaurs couldn't live anymore because they would destroy the people. He had to make the dinosaurs extinct. I have always wanted to see a megalodon shark, but I never got to see it. Now, the megalodon shark used to be the biggest shark in the world. But now, the whale shark is the biggest shark in the world. I am not afraid of sharks anymore. I used to be. I thought sharks was killing us on purpose, but they did it on accident. God made those sharks for a reason, to protect the ocean. That's why all sea animals should live. All creatures from the sky, all creatures from below should live forever and ever. I want to make all the animals live. That's why I want to be president of the United States. Teach everybody how to save sharks and other sea animals from killing them. I don't like it when people mess with other animals. I like all animals, even the ones that don't even exist. I've always been a fan of sharks, dolphins, whales, and other sea animals, and other animals. I always wanted to be the greatest president in the world, but there's no other greatest president than Jesus. Jesus is the one that can make you good. He's the only one that can make you good. He controls you, nobody else. I always wanted to be with Jesus with all my life. I'm glad that I was born in America. I wanted to be born. It was Jesus' decision if he wanted to. Jesus is the only one that can make the good choice. He's the king of the world. You think he's not existing? He does exist. I don't want to make this more than an hour, but I love Jesus with all my heart, all my strength. I would never want to let him down. Never, ever. He will never let me down. I won't let him down. Jesus is the only one. He'll answer your prayers. Sometimes he won't. But he'll still listen. What you have to do is just wait for his answer. Then your wish come true. Tooth Fairy or Santa Claus don't exist. Some people do exist. I used to believe that they existed. Santa Claus brings you presents, but Jesus brings you more presents than Santa Claus. He's the one that will always make you the good choice. He will make all the choices. Whether he wants to make you, but it's your choice to be good or to be bad. I'd say to make the choice to be good, because Jesus made you. You should be thankful what Jesus did. He will never ever let you down. I have always wanted to touch a dolphin, but they say no. The dolphins were gone. I don't want any of the dolphins to be gone. But now it's been 40 minutes. But now I have to say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.